Some careers rise fast, early promotions, early recognition, early confidence, and then they stall. Not because those people lack talent, but because they peak before leverage had time to form. Early momentum often comes from simple environments, low complexity, clear rules, visible output. Success here feels permanent, but it's conditional. Early success creates reassurance. People stop questioning their approach. They double down on what works, even when the environment changes. This is how growth quietly slows. Peaking doesn't mean failure. It means your current skills stop scaling. The work that once moved you forward now only maintains position. That's not decline, it's stagnation disguised as stability. Quiet professionals often delay visible success. They refine thinking, they deepen judgment. They absorb complexity slowly. This postpones recognition but extends growth. Careers that don't peak early leave room for compounding. Each year adds depth instead of pressure. By the time complexity increases, these professionals are prepared, not exposed. When environments change, early peakers feel friction. They rely on visibility, they rely on reputation. But reputation without adaptability erodes quickly. Mid-career is where paths separate. Early peakers defend status, quiet builders gain influence. Not because they are louder, but because they are calmer under pressure. Feeling behind often means you are still building foundations. It's uncomfortable but strategic. Progress that feels slow now often accelerates later with less effort. You don't need to peak early to be successful. You need to peak when leverage matters. Quiet professionals optimize for endurance, not applause. Early success impresses, late leverage liberates. If your career feels slower than others right now, you might simply be pacing it correctly. And pacing wins long games.